The trade which we're going to be studying in this lecture is a short counter-trend trading position which I took on the USD CAD. This trade lasted for about 4 days, but instead of boring you with the details, I'm pretty sure you'd prefer I show it to you, right? Okay, let's do this. Well, in line with this counter-trend trading strategy's rules, I'm going to start my chart analysis using the daily time frame of the USD CAD currency pair. And as you can see on the screen, the market has experienced a strong bullish move north, which lasted for about a couple of weeks now. Now, if you take a close look at this price chart, you're going to notice that a valid hammer candlestick has just formed in and around the tip of the significant bullish price move which the market experienced only a little while ago. The formation of this valid hammer candlestick is simply telling us that the buyers in the market are finding it extremely difficult to keep pushing the market's prices higher and higher up. Therefore, we're going to use this valid hammer candlestick, which we've just spotted on the daily time frame of the USD CAD currency pair, to identify a low risk, high probability counter trend trade entry and stop loss levels according to the profitable counter trend trading strategy's rules. So for this counter trend trade setup, I'm going to be placing a sell stop pending order for only 15 mini lots of the USD CAD. The trade entry level for this sell stop pending order is going to be about 2 pips away from the lowest price level of the valid hammer candlestick, which we've just spotted on the daily chart of the USD CAD. And as you've just seen on the screen, my trade entry price level is going to be located at the 1.3255 price level. And my sell stop pending order's initial stop loss order is going to be placed at the highest price level of the valid hammer candlestick which I've just identified on the daily time frame of this currency pair. Now, since the highest price level of the most recent valid hammer candlestick on the daily chart of the USD CAD is at the 1.3383 price level, I'm going to be placing my initial stop loss order right there. And that does it for now. But I'm quickly going to zoom in and take a look at how price action is shaping up on the 1 hour time frame of this currency pair right away. As you can see on the screen, the market's current price is only a couple of pips away from triggering this short counter trend trade setup sell stop pending order. And my initial stop loss order is currently located at the resistance level where price got rejected at only a couple of hours ago. Therefore, we're all good to go, since I've just placed a sell stop pending order, which is going to get me into the market with a short counter trend trading position if and when price decides to break below the lowest price level of the valid hammer candlestick, which I was able to identify using the daily chart of the USD CAD Forex currency pair. However, if the buyers in the market decide to push this currency pair's prices back up, I'm going to take that as an early warning signal that a continuation on the market's prevalent bullish trend might just have kicked in once again. And so I'm immediately going to delete this sell stop pending order the moment I see a candlestick close above the highest price level of the valid hammer candlestick which I was able to identify on the daily time frame of this USD CAD currency pair. However, both of these scenarios haven't occurred yet. Therefore, I'm just going to have to patiently sit and wait for price action to make up its mind about what it's going to do next. So, after patiently waiting for a little over 3 long days for price to either trigger this counter trend trade setup sell stop pending order, or maybe even close above the highest price level of the valid hammer candlestick which I was able to identify on this currency pair's daily time frame, price action decides to break below the lowest low of this valid hammer candlestick to trigger my sell stop pending order. And now I have an open, short counter trend trading position on the USD CAD. As you can see on the daily chart of the USD CAD which is being displayed on the screen now, price almost closed above the highest price level of the valid hammer candlestick which I spotted on this currency pair's daily time frame. Now, if this had happened, I would have been forced to delete this counter trend trade setup sell stop pending order simply because that would have been an early warning signal which would tell me that the market's prevalent bullish trend might just have kicked in once again. However, that didn't happen, but instead, my counter trend trade sell stop pending order got triggered, and now I've got nothing else to do but to manage this trade. Therefore, I'm going to crank down to this currency pair's 1 hour time frame and explain to you how I intend to manage this short trading position following this profitable counter trend trading strategy's rules. Okay, so I've just cranked down to the 1 hour time frame of the USD card, and as you can see on the 1 hour Forex price chart which is being displayed on the screen now, price triggered this sell stop pending order to get me into the market with a short counter trend trading position about 3 hours ago. At the moment, this short trade's initial stop loss order is located around the resistance level which price failed to break after making 2 failed attempts. So how am I going to properly manage this short trading position so that I can limit its risk exposure while maximizing its potential profits? Well, for starters, I'm going to keep a close eye on the markets while I patiently wait for its price action to drag the 60-period simple moving average which was applied to price's high on the 1 hour chart of the USD card to reach the exact price level where I entered into the market with this short counter trend trading position. And if that happens, I'm going to take 1/3 of the profits accumulated from this short trading position off of the table and let the remaining 2/3 of it sort of tag behind the market's price action. However, if price decides to reverse against this trade and move beyond the resistance level where my initial stop loss order is currently located at, I'm going to be taken out of the markets with a loss of about 127 pips on the 15 mini lot of the USD card which I'm currently trading. As usual, we're just going to have to wait and see what price action decides to do next. Alhamdulillah. What I've been patiently waiting for has finally happened. Price has just made a strong bearish move which was able to pull down the 60-period simple moving average which was applied to this currency pair's 1 hour chart, giving me a great opportunity to take 1/3 of the profits accumulated from this short trading position and also move its initial stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60-period SMA which was applied to price's high is currently located at on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame. And as you can see on the screen, my current risk is about minus 129.4 pips, which is about minus $147 and 38 cents since I'm only trading 15 mini lots of the USD card. However, after moving this counter trend trade's initial stop loss order from its previous location to the new price level where it is supposed to be located at, I've been able to lock in a guaranteed profit of about 5.9 pips from this short trading position at the moment. And now for the best part. I'm going to close 5 mini lots of this short USD card counter trend trading position with the 84 pips of profits which the market is willingly offering me at this particular moment in time. Once I'm done with that, I'm simply going to step away from my PC and keep a close eye on price action using MetaTrader's mobile app to see if price action decides to reverse against this short trading position to trigger its stop loss order, which would take me out of the markets with a profit of about 5.9 pips on this short counter trend trading position. But on the flip side, price action could decide to continue moving in favor of this short counter trend trading position, which would give me another great opportunity to lock in even more profits from this trade, inshallah. But I guess we'll just have to wait and see what price decides to do next, isn't it? After stepping away from my trading terminal for a couple of hours, it looks like price decided to continue moving in favor of the short counter-trend trading position. And as you can see on the screen, this counter-trend trading position's current stop-loss order is lagging behind the 60-period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1-hour time frame. Therefore, in line with this trading strategy's profit locking rule, I'm going to quickly move its stop-loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60-period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high on the USD CAD's 1-hour time frame, is currently located at. At the moment, I've been able to successfully lock in about 5.9 pips of guaranteed profits from this short counter-trend trading position. However, after moving this short trade stop-loss order from its current location to the new price level where it is supposed to be located at, I've just increased my guaranteed profits on this short trading position from a mere 5.9 pips to a whopping 48.4 pips. Now come on, isn't that just awesome? Alhamdulillah. Again, just like I did a couple of hours ago, I'm going to step away from the markets once again and let price action decide whether or not to keep moving in this trade's favor, which would eventually increase the guaranteed profits I'm going to bag from it, or reverse against it to trigger its stop-loss order, which will take me out of the markets with a profit of about 48.4 pips from this short trading position. As usual, we're just going to have to wait and see what happens next. Okay, so it's been a little over 10 hours since I last adjusted the dynamic stop-loss order for this short counter-trend trading position. And now price action has given me yet another great opportunity to lock in even more profits from this short trade when I move its stop-loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60-period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1-hour time frame, is currently located at. Well, if you've been carefully following me along, I'm pretty sure you're well aware that I've been able to lock in a guaranteed profit of about 48.4 pips from this short trading position already, right? Well, after moving this short trading position stop-loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60-period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high, is currently located at, I've just increased my guaranteed profits on this short trading position from only 48.4 pips to about 64.8 pips, which is not bad at all, considering that managing this short counter-trend trading position takes a little less than an hour of my time each and every single day for the past 2 to 3 days which I've been patiently holding on to it. And just like I did the other time, I'm going to step away from the charts while I wait for price to either reverse against this short trading position to take me out of the markets with a profit of about 64.8 pips on the remaining 10 mini lots which I've still got open on the USD card, or maybe even keep moving south in favor of this trading position as time goes by. We'll just have to wait and see. Well. So I'm back to manage this counter-trend trading position on the USD card. And it looks like price has decided to give me another great opportunity to lock in some more profits from this short trade, since its current stop-loss order is lagging behind the 60-period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1-hour chart with a considerable amount of pips at the moment. Therefore, I'm going to move this short trade stop-loss order from its current location to the new price level where it's supposed to be located at, using the 1-hour time frame of the USD card currency pair right away. As it is now, my guaranteed profits from this short trading position stands at about 64.8 pips. However, after moving this trading position stop-loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60-period SMA, which was applied to prices high on this pair's 1-hour chart, is currently located at, I've been able to increase the guaranteed profits on the remaining 10 mini lots, which I've still got open on this short trading position, from 64.8 pips to 80.5 pips which is about 61 US dollars and 32 cents at the moment. So the worst case scenario for this short trading position now is to have price reverse against it to trigger its stop loss order, which would take me out of the markets with a handful of profits, inshallah. However, on the flip side, if price decides to continue moving in favor of this short trading position, I'm going to get yet another great opportunity to lock in even more profits on the remaining 10 mini lots which I've still got open on this pair. As always, we're just going to have to sit on our hands and keep a close eye on price action to see which of these two scenarios is eventually going to play out. If you take a close look at the chart which is being displayed on the screen now, you're going to notice that price is currently having a really tough time breaking below the major support level on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame. In fact, price almost took me out of the markets when it reversed to the upside just about a couple of hours ago after it got rejected at this major support level. When I zoom in on this chart, you can see that price actually touched the 60 period SMA, which was applied to the USD CAD 1 hour time frame's high prices right here. And this would have stopped out this short trading position if only I had adjusted its stop loss order following this counter trend trading strategy's rules at that particular moment in time. But I didn't even move its stop loss order there to start with, simply because I was away from my trading terminal, taking care of business. I guess it's safe to say that I'm pretty lucky to have gotten away with this. Although, I would have lost more money from this short trading position than I should have if price had continued moving up to eventually trigger its stop loss order. But as you can see on the screen, this short trading position's current stop loss order is actually lagging behind the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to price's high on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame. Therefore, I'm going to move it from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period SMA, which was applied to price's high, is currently located at, so as to lock in some more profits from this trading position. At the moment, I've been able to lock in a guaranteed profit of about 80.5 pips on the remaining 10 mini lots, which I'm still holding on to on the USD CAD. However, after moving this trade stop loss order from the price level where it's currently located at to the price level where it's supposed to be, I've now been able to increase my guaranteed profits from this counter trend trading position from only 80.5 pips to exactly 100.8 pips. And now, even if price was to decide to move against this trading position to trigger its stop loss order, I'm going to come out of the markets with a little over 100 pips of pure profits from this counter trend trading position. However, on the flip side, if price decides to continue moving in favor of this short trading position, I just might get another opportunity to lock in even more profits from it. But as usual, we're just going to have to wait and see what price decides to do next. At long last, price has decided to take me out of the markets with about 100.8 pips of pure profits from this short counter trend trading position when it spiked through the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to the high prices on this USD CAD's 1 hour time frame. If you've been carefully following along, you'll remember that that was the exact price level where I placed this trade stop loss order just a little while back. And that's really all there is to know about this short counter trend trading position which I took on the USD CAD currency pair. I really hope you enjoyed this lecture, and I urge you to reach out to me with your questions and comments about this counter trend trading position at any time if you find anything confusing in the least bit. Thanks a lot for watching this lecture, and God bless you. See you in the next one. Cheers.